clearly stipulated what should be done before the state can spend money, state expenditure. And it's clear there that no money shall be appropriated without an appropriated bill being passed by the House of Assembly. It's very clear from the judgment of Motosho, which was confirmed by the Court of Appeal, that the budget was not properly passed. And in a situation like that, if it's not passed within 6 months, a state is not supposed to collect revenue from a consolidated fund. That is the issue of lawyers. That is the extant provision of the law. And that's what the court has confirmed today, that the Rivers State government has not complied with the requirement of the Constitution on appropriation of bills for expenditures and all the things that they need to do in the state government. It's a very clear judgment. And then also looking at all the other judgments that have been passed in respect of the Rivers State government, it's clear from this judgment, which also rely on the judgment of the Court of Appeal, that the state government is in violation of the extant provisions of the Constitution relating to expenditure and passing of the bill for expenditure. So it's clearly they cannot continue to allow this infraction to continue. This judgment is to put into rest the impunity going on in the Rivers State relating to expenditure. It's clearly that people are not looking at the issues of constitutionality. People goes on the air to talk about attempt by the court to rein in unconstitutionality. Today, the judgment is to rein in unconstitutional behavior of the governor going on in the state, and in the judgment we're delivered. And we are going to implement the judgment. We are going to serve the necessary agencies, the Central Bank of Nigeria, and other agencies who are supposed to give authority to spend money. That's what's going to happen.
Thank you very much, sir.